Boom, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video we're going to be covering, is affiliate marketing worth it? And you can see here that it says that affiliate marketing is the connector model, and I'm going to show you here 3 different businesses who utilize this strategy and are huge businesses, which you're probably going to already know. So you can see here that there's the 3 companies. So there is Amazon, then we've got Uber, and we've got Airbnb, and these are 3 connector model businesses who use affiliate marketing in the same sort of idea. So if you can see here, when you look at Amazon, you've got people who are looking for products, and then you've got Amazon, who's the connector, and then you've got products. So you can see that Amazon actually don't have any of their own products, which is really crazy. But the way that it's designed is kind of like the connector model, and it's the same as affiliate marketing. So you can see here you've got people looking for taxis, and then you've got Uber. Uber doesn't own any cars whatsoever, yet it's one of the biggest taxi companies in the world. So you've got people looking for taxis, and then you've got Uber, the connector, and then you've got services, which is the taxi drivers and their cars. So the third company that I just wanted to show you, which also falls under the connector model, is people looking for places to stay, and then you've got Airbnb, and Airbnb is like the facilitator and the connector model for people looking for rooms. And this is crazy because these are massive companies using the exact same strategies. Now we've got people here who are in your niche, and you can be the connector who connects them with other companies, and this is all the same type of model. Now this falls under, is affiliate marketing worth it? And you can see here that these 3 big huge companies all use the connector model, which is the exact same model as affiliate marketing. Now this is also falls under, is it worth it? And if you're going to start any business online whatsoever, you can see here that every single business needs marketing and sales, and you should never outsource this for your own business, because this is the life and blood of any business, and it's something well worth mastering. And something that falls under affiliate marketing is marketing and sales, and that's all you do. That's all you do, is you do the marketing and you do the sales, and this is all affiliate marketing. So whether or not you want to build your own products, or you want to build your own software, you want to build your own education center or something like that, there, every single business is going to need marketing and sales. So when you go to, is it worth it, learning and mastering affiliate marketing, every single business needs these 2 components, which is the marketing and sales. So we should never outsource this here. You want to become great at marketing and sales for any online business type. Now a big thing that you should consider with affiliate marketing is you're building your own world. Now you control this world. You can do what you want to do in the world, and you're not really building someone else's world. Yes, you recommend other people's products, but you're building you, and this is the strategy that you want to do. Because when you look at Amazon, you look at Airbnb, and you look at Uber, they're all built themselves, and they are established at what they do, and people go there to get connected with their product, their service, their room, whatever it is they're looking for. Now let's see, this is what I was saying there now. So you're building your name and you're connecting with the people based on your message, and you can recommend whatever you believe in. Then later on you can recommend your own product, build a software, and create your own online school if that's what you want to do. But the main thing is you're building your name, your credibility, and you're connecting with people online. And then later on, when you get really good at marketing and sales, it doesn't really matter. You can build your own product later, and you know that it's going to be a success. So is it affiliate marketing worth it? this is the topic of the video, and you can recommend what you believe in, and then later on you can build your own software and recommend that to your audience as well. Then let's see, affiliate marketing gives you the skills to get behind any product you believe in. So whether or not you want to do online marketing or you want to do something else, you're going to learn the key skills of affiliate marketing, the skills that it takes to promote other people's products online, and you can take that to any product that you believe in, and you're going to be helping a group of people get what they really want. And this is really, really cool, because you can actually help people, groups of people, get what they want, and this is really cool as well. So you can see here, there's 3 people here who have all used affiliate marketing in their career to build their own business and now have their own businesses. So you've maybe seen some of these people before, maybe you haven't seen them before, but I just want to show you and kind of explain to you each of these individual people and where they kind of used the strategy of affiliate marketing to build themselves and their own businesses. So you maybe know this here guy that's called Russell Brunson, and at the start he started selling info products and he done affiliate marketing, and he used affiliate marketing to build his name, his brand, make money while he was getting good at marketing and sales, and then he was promoting other people's products in and amongst what he was doing. And now he's transitioned to his own software as a business, and I think now the software went over $100 million in sales last year, and he's just really growing it, and it all started with building himself and being the connector. There's Vic Stryshoes as well, which is one of my mentors, and he started off as affiliate marketing. Now he's got his own company and he teaches people how to do it. Then you've got Shakar Hussain, and he started off affiliate marketing as well, and now he's built up his own company, his own educational company called Funnel Gurus. Then there's other ones as well, and he started off doing the connector model and promoting other people's products. Now I think he made like $20 million in within 3 years, just from the skills of marketing and sales. Then you've got Jason Capital. Now Jason Capital is a little bit different in the way he went about using affiliate marketing, but he used affiliate marketing to build himself and build his own business. And the strategy that Jason used, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit later, because it's more of a more advanced kind of strategy where you take your proven thing to a network, and then you utilize affiliate marketing to build and grow your business. Now just as the last one, is affiliate marketing worth learning the strategies of? Is it worth learning the strategies of affiliate marketing to build a business on the internet? And my question is, what do you think, my friend? Because I know what I think, but it's not what I think, it's what you think. And this is what I wanted to share with you, my friend. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day whatever you're up to. Also, if you want to learn more about this whole thing we call internet marketing and affiliate marketing, you should go to the wee link below and you'll be able to find out more there as well. Have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Peace.